Aloha, friends! Hawaii is one of the most beautiful destinations on Earth, with its pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and vibrant culture. But before you step onto that plane, let's talk about packing. Packing smart for Hawaii can save you a ton of stress and help you fully enjoy every moment of your trip. From beach essentials to cultural etiquette, I'll guide you through everything you need to pack for your Hawaiian adventure. Let's start with clothing. Hawaii's weather is warm and tropical, so pack light and breezy fabrics. Daytime wear. Think shorts, tank tops, and lightweight shirts. Flowy sundresses are a great choice, too. They're comfy and perfect for photos. Evenings. While Hawaii is casual, certain restaurants and luau's have dress codes. Bring a pair of khakis or a summer dress for these occasions. If you plan on hiking, pack moisture-wicking activewear and sturdy shoes. Trails like Diamond Head or the Napali Coast are breathtaking but can get hot, so you'll want clothing that keeps you cool. Don't forget a light jacket or sweater. Evenings near the coast or higher altitudes like Haleakala National Park can get chilly, especially if you're catching a sunrise or stargazing. Hawaii's sunshine is incredible, but it's also intense. Protect yourself with reef-safe sunscreen. It's not just for you, it's a way to help protect Hawaii's fragile coral reefs. A wide-brimmed hat to shield your face, UV-protected sunglasses to protect your eyes, and don't forget to stay hydrated. Bring a reusable water bottle. It's eco-friendly and perfect for long days outdoors. Footwear can make or break your experience, so choose wisely. Flip-flops or sandals are perfect for the beach and casual walks. Sturdy hiking boots or sneakers are a must if you're hitting trails like the Coco Crater Stairs or Mauna Kea. Water shoes are a lifesaver for snorkeling, exploring tide pools, or walking on lava rock. Water shoes are especially handy in Hawaii, where sharp coral or slippery rocks can surprise you. Trust me, they're worth the space in your bag. Next up, let's talk beach gear. Hawaii is all about water adventures, so bring a snorkel set to explore vibrant coral reefs and swim alongside sea turtles. You can rent one, but having your own can save time and money. A quick-drying beach towel, perfect for hopping between beaches. A waterproof bag to keep your valuables safe during boat rides or snorkeling trips. Bonus tip: if you have a GoPro or waterproof phone case, you'll capture those underwater memories with ease. Hawaii is a blend of natural beauty and modern convenience, but good tech tools can make your trip even smoother. A portable charger is a lifesaver for long sightseeing days. Download travel apps like Google Maps for directions, or a surf report app if you're chasing waves. For remote areas, consider offline maps, as cell service can be spotty. Staying connected is essential. Rent a pocket Wi-Fi device or buy a local SIM card to ensure seamless internet access. Hawaiians have a deep respect for the land, or aina, so consider bringing reusable shopping bags and utensils to reduce waste. A small gift like chocolates or a local souvenir from your home, if you're staying with friends or visiting locals, it's a thoughtful way to show appreciation. Being eco-conscious isn't just good for Hawaii. It's part of embracing the island's spirit of aloha. Be prepared for long hikes or road trips with portable snacks like granola bars, trail mix, or dried fruit. If you take prescription medications, pack enough for your stay. It's also smart to bring a small first aid kit and some motion sickness remedies for boat rides or winding roads. Lastly, pack a notebook and a pen. They're great for jotting down local phrases or directions, and a travel guidebook for exploring hidden gems. And that's it. Packing smart means you'll be ready for any adventure Hawaii throws your way. From the sun-kissed beaches to the towering volcanoes, every moment in paradise will be unforgettable. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your packing tips in the comments below. Mahalo for watching, and I'll see you in paradise. Aloha.